welcome to another video. Today I'll be doing a tutorial. Now this is the first time I'm doing a tutorial on the channel and I think you guys are going to like it. As you can read from the title, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to get a custom mouse pointer. This thing flying across the screen. So basically, if you don't want this boring old hand and stuff, like, who wants this? We want something more beautiful. So basically, what you have to do, if this only works on Chrome, like Google Chrome, you have to go into apps. Should show up with a page like this. Then you press Web Store. Now you're on Web Store. Should come up with this. You go to search, press search, and type in custom space cursor. That's spelled C-U-R-S-O-R. Enter. And this is the one you wanna like download and stuff. Not any of these. This one. See, Run Custom Cursors for Chrome. Click it. Here you can see what it's all about, like this. See a bunch of different types. Oh my gosh, Thanos. So just press add to Chrome. Checking. Then it should show up with this, add custom cursor to Chrome. It can read and change all your data websites that you visit, communicate with cooperating websites. Like it doesn't do that. Don't worry, I've had this before. Add extension. Still checking. And it's been added. It should take you to a page like this. Successful installation. And here, like, see everything here. What? Oh yeah. Set a custom cursor and check it here. So it should show up like a little cursor thing. Should show up with a like on this. You press it, and then because I've read, and then I'm just gonna choose one, Pikachu. See? And then check it here. Wow, so then like when you're just hovering across the screen, it's Pikachu. And then when you want to do it, like click something, it's a Pokeball. That is cool. Now you just have to go to home. And here you can just add a bunch of them. Like they're completely free. Just press add. Doesn't do anything. Cursor pack, food and drinks installed. And like that's it. It doesn't take up any download space. Doesn't like do anything to your computer or something. Ooh, Indiana Jones bullwhip. Yes. Buzz Lightyear. All you literally have to do is add basketball. Spider-Man pointing, if you've seen that movie. Hot dog. Ooh, Fortnite. Flamingo. I don't understand what that is. Okay. Then if you want to see a wider collection, just press more in that corner. There's a car. There's Harry Potter stuff, Fortnite stuff. There's Drake doing the nah thing. There's Bongo Cat. There's this nice one. There's literally a bunch, like a lot. There's Game of Thrones, if you're a Game of Thrones fan. Thanos. Moto. Minecraft, that game is old but still. Marshmallow. Watermelon. Unicorn if you're a girl. Page 2. That's disappointing, there's only 2 pages, but then like these are the newest ones. Oh. Add Roblox, of course I have to. No. Yas. Of course I have to do this, I've actually played this before. Click. I must do the pizza. There's Harley Quinn, but I'm no DC fan. No, Lord of the Rings stuff. Ooh, PS4. Supreme, boy. Of course we have to add the Doge. For all of you who've seen Endgame, RIP Iron Man. Yes, I'm an arty person. I have to do a corgi. Stanley, rep Stanley. Xbox sucks, but I still do it anyway. Captain America. Eh. Add this. Marvel. Looks funny, I'm just gonna add it anyway. Collections. Ooh, some collections. Yeah. Here, there's a bunch of different collections. You can see everything in that collection. Cartoon collection. You can view it, like press view. See all of them here. Like you can just pick out which ones you want, pick out which ones you don't want. Go back. Or just add all. See? Cartoon collection. Movies and TV. Yeah, why not? Oh, there's a second page. Minecraft collection, are you joking? Emoji. Overwatch. Job collection. Oh my goodness. Fortnite collection. Added. Food and drinks, I must add. Like I said, no download space taken, so could just keep adding and adding and adding and adding and adding and adding. And it'll still work. Ooh, laser, dinosaur. Yeah, if you add it, you can't remove it. I just realized. Okay. Then, like, if you don't want to use it, you don't have to. So, lifestyle. Animals. I'm not the biggest animal fan. I'll do it just cause. Holidays. Nah. Okay, is that it? Color gradient. Add all of them. Add all of them. And yeah. So that's it. Oh yeah. Actually, no, never mind. So I think that was, oh yeah, so if you go here, and if you go to manage them, so you can hear, I'm gonna do mine large, there's extra large, oh my goodness, just gonna do it large, cause like large is nice, extra small, and there's extra small, absolutely tiny, large is fine. Oh yeah, here you can just delete them if you don't want them. But I'm just gonna keep all of these. So might delete animal one, like I said, I'm not the biggest animal lover. So yeah. Also, I think that was a way. Yeah, upload cursor. So then all you have to do, like download an image, save it on a file, go into here, do that, that's the cursor, then the pointer, and all of that good stuff. So now when you've done all of that, you can just go into a new tab, press here, then just choose whatever you want. So like I've got all of these installed. Oh my gosh, there's so many. What was the Thanos one? Pretty sure there was a Thanos one. Oh my gosh, so much Fortnite. There's games. Oh my gosh, you can just go wrong with the Nintendo Switch. Lol. Where is it? Oh yeah, Marshmallow. Oh yes, here's the Marvel section. Thanos. So then, like, sometimes it just doesn't work on the homepage. And if you click like a website or something, like a website, just loading in, like other websites, should work. Yeah, it works and stuff. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And goodbye.